There are multiple ways to remove background from an image using Adobe Photoshop, and in this video I will tell you one of the quickest method using which you can remove background from almost any image very quickly. So first of all, you have to go to select where you have to choose subject and you have to wait for few seconds. It will basically select the subject of your image. Now again you have to go to select and you have to choose inverse. Now you have to press delete key and you can see our background has been removed. Now if you want a transparent background, then you have to remove this layer, background layer. You have to unlock this layer and you have to press delete key again. Now our background is completely transparent. If you like this video, then please make sure you have subscribed our channel and hit the like button also. Thank you very much.